Hi guys, this tomato maach or fish in tomato based gravy is one of my favorite dishes from the Bengali cuisine. This is the list of ingredients required. To prepare the marinade for 6 pieces of fish, take 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric. Rub this mixture well on all sides of the fish. And keep aside for at least 1 hour. In a pan, heat mustard oil enough to shallow fry the fish. Oops, the oil splashed and caught fire. Be very careful. Drop the fish pieces gently. Fry on medium flame for 2 minutes. Do not flip early as the fish will break. One side is perfectly done. This is the color we are aiming for. Fry the other side for 90 seconds only. The duration is shorter as it is already partially cooked. Fry all the pieces similarly. For the curry, make a paste of 1 onion and puree of 5 tomatoes. Heat 1 tablespoon mustard oil till it smokes. This will remove the pungency of the mustard oil. Switch off the flame and let it cool down for 5 minutes to prevent burning of the spices. Add half teaspoon kalonji seeds or nigella seeds. Let them splutter for 30 seconds. Add the onion paste and saute for 1 minute. Add half a teaspoon garlic paste and half a teaspoon ginger paste and saute for 1 more minute. Now add the tomato puree and 2 green chilies. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. When the tomatoes are partially cooked and the moisture has reduced, add half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry these spices well for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. When the mixture clumps to one side and oil releases from the side, the tomatoes and spices will be cooked well. Add half liter water, half teaspoon salt and a quarter teaspoon sugar. Drop in the fried fish pieces gently without breaking them. Make space for all pieces and see to it that they are immersed in the gravy. Add 2 green chilies. Cover and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. At the end of this time, the gravy should be thin and watery like this. Handle the fish pieces gently even while serving as they can break even now. That's it. Our delicious tomato maach is ready. Serve with hot rice and enjoy. If you like this video, please like and share it. And for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Also, leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.